Hi. So, good morning. This is early morning. I don't know, maybe it's around 6, 5:36, Delhi. And after such heavy rainfall yesterday night, the whole night it was raining here. I don't know. Tell me in comment section how about your area? बिकॉज आजकल बारिश का कुछ नहीं पता होता. एक जगह होती है, दूसरी जगह नहीं होती. एंड द worst part is all my clothes. I hanged them yesterday in the balcony because obviously flats में आप रहते हो तो balcony में you have to keep them on the stand, and I forgot to get the stand inside, and it's all ruined completely. Now again I'll have to wash the clothes. I mean, I have to tell. So, but again, this time is my favorite time. I just love it. And after, so much of rain, Piche view is really bad. Sorry. But I can show you here. See, there is so much greenery and it's beautiful. Sky is clear finally because kal to I went in the evening. I had very special um, program in Taj Palace, but somehow it got missed and then things changed and I went somewhere else, and that experience was again very good. But sky was totally cloudy. बहुत ही ज़्यादा मतलब literally it was like I'm kind of little scared of thunder and lightning, so I was kind of little scared. But now it's amazing. Again, birds chirping and ये जो greenery होती है ना after the rain, that effect is beautiful, and those flowers in that greenery just showing little red flowers and all, amazing. But night was kind of बीच में scary भी हो गया था because बारिश रुकने का नाम ही नहीं ले रही थी. It was like really bad and thundering was too much. So I closed my door and sat inside. That's it. So have a great day. I hope ऐसा ही नेचर ब्यूटीफुल रहे. I really wish it should remain beautiful for everyone in the world, every country, every human being, every animal, every living being. Stay safe, stay happy, and keep smiling. Love you.